cams right there, player. So this has been a couple of months in the making. I've been using Texas Speed for years and years and years. Great cams. They started grinding their own cams. I figured while I'm selling and installing their cams, I might as well have my own line, my own names on them, my own grinds. So here we go. The first 3 grinds, stage 1 and stage 2 of each. Pretty much stage 1, I told them I want the biggest cam we can put in something and keep the stop-stall converter for those of you that don't want to put a converter in something. So you have stage 1, stage 2 of each. Stage 2, you're going to need a 3200 to 3400 stall converter bare minimum, or a car with a man pedal, so you can just rip on down the road with it. First sign is Pullin A.S.S cams for your trucks. Haulin A.S.S cams for like LS1, LS6, car based. My personal favorite, the Hawg A.S.S cam. This would be your LS3 base, 6 of those LS3 heads on it, your bigger cubic inch stuff. And I keep lifters in stock, LS7 GM performance lifters, 660 springs, what you're going to need with them, hardened push rods, Brian Tooley trunnion kits, install kits, bolts, everything you need, one-stop shop. So you can order it, you can come by and get it, ship it to you, you can pick it up. Here they are, ready for your enjoyments.